Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, kids. This is your Nair sir. There was one question which I forgot to record. So this is the last question of your exercise 4.1 of quadratic equation. A train travels a distance of 480 kilometers at a uniform speed. If the speed has been 8 kilometers per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. Now here, remember that we are only supposed to find the quadratic equation. Okay, let's see what the answer goes to be. What is given to us? Write that what is given to you. The first thing, notice you're being given a distance, and there is some comparison which is being done. Speed has been, if it was this less, it would have taken 3 hours. That's it. Read the question. That's very important. Okay, let's start. The speed of the train, let it be x kilometers per hour. I know what is the first state. The first stage tells me that the distance it covers, it's around 480 kilometers. What is the formula for the speed? Speed is x kilometer per hour. What is the formula for speed? Distance upon time. And now, can I just substitute the value, whatever I have got? I have considered the speed to be x. I know the distance. I don't know the time. Okay. After putting, I get what? X is equal to 480 upon time. And I can write this as time is equal to 480 upon x. Now, this is something which I have got from the first line. Look at this particular line. This is what I have got from this line. That's it. Can I go further? Okay. Next one. Speed. The speed is becoming, if it becomes 8 kilometers per hour less, what is your existing speed? X. What will be the speed if it is 8 kilometers less? It will be x minus 8. The distance remains the same. We are not changing anything about the distance. Speed x minus 8 kilometers per hour. Now, what will be the time? Whatever time it was taking previously, that is this particular 1 minute, just give me 1 minute. Whatever he was talking about this time, that is 480 upon x, it is going to take 3 hours more. That is 480 upon x plus 3. Okay. What is speed formula? Known, distance upon time. What is the speed? Now, what is this new speed? X minus, substitute कीजिए, x minus 8 is equal to, distance remains the same, and the time taken is 480 upon x plus 3. Now, what you have to do is, you have done 50% of your problem. Done. Till here only I would say you need 10 standard mathematics known. After this, it is all your previous years of mathematics. How do you solve this equation? All right. Now let's see, what do you do? Can I write this? What is that I have done? Okay. I have moved, 1 minute. What is that I have done? I have taken this from here to here. That's all. Okay, and this is a sum where you have to have a lot of focus. Okay, let's do this now here. I got this equation. What do? I solve this particular thing. Inside bracket, BODMAS. Did that? Taking x to the RHS. X is divided. So what will happen to it? It will multiply to the right hand side. Now the basic mathematics. What do I get? I get a quadratic equation. But if you notice one thing, you can divide all this by 3. Okay, I think 10th standard you would know what is the rule for the division of 3. Add the number and see if it comes in the table of 3. 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 plus 4 is 15, 15. It's divided by 3. And that is my answer. And this is the form, the representation of the situation in a quadratic equation. Okay, hope you have understood it. As every time, if you like it, share it across to your friend. And every time, whatever I repeat, I say solve yourself. After seeing the video, close the video and do it by yourself. Because when you do it by yourself, that is the time when you will understand that where are you making mistake, what is the mistake that you're making. And if there is any shortage of anything like the vitamins, what are the vitamins? The table vitamins, the integer vitamins, the rational number vitamin, fraction vitamin, you have to solve it separately. Have a lovely day, kids. Thank you.